6:10 is the time. Thanks for staying with 13 on your side weekend mornings on this good old Sunday morning. Let's check in with Colton and see how your Sunday is shaping up. Sunday fun day. Lots to do today, this weekend. Good weather. Staying on the track.
Yeah, rinse and repeat forecast. So we finally have rain, though, in the 7-day. So that comes later on this week. But today, absolutely gorgeous across West Michigan. We'll also be a little bit warmer than yesterday. 13 weather ball is red. Warmer temperatures are ahead. We'll be climbing well into the 70s this afternoon, at least away from Lake Michigan. This view brought to you by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. What's ahead will be warmer today, still holding on to plenty of sunshine. If anything, just a few high-level clouds, and then we'll rise into the 80s beginning tomorrow and stay there through the entire work week, with our next chance of rain finally arriving by this Friday. Live view right now in Grand Haven. It's pretty calm along the lake shore, but although it's pretty cool, it's sitting at 50 degrees along the lake, and notice that wind, very, very calm, only at 3 miles per hour. Big difference compared to this time yesterday. If you're heading to the lake shore today, the wind this time will be onshore, keeping the lake shore a little bit cooler, mostly in the low to mid 70s. The waves, though, will be pretty in check, likely less than a foot at our local beaches. Speaking of the beaches, the water temperatures, yeah, they're still pretty chilly. Most readings are in the 50s right now, 58 for the water temperature in Hoffmaster and 50 currently in Grand Haven. Air temperatures, though, even colder than that. Most of us are in the 40s. Some of us, even to the north, are in the 30s. 37 degrees currently in Big Rapids, 47, though, in Muskegon, and 46 is the current number in Kalamazoo. We'll continue to rise pretty quickly thanks to the sunshine we'll see today. We'll be topping out at least in the mid to upper 70s later on this afternoon. Notice the high-level clouds will continue pretty much all day long. There's those high-level clouds right now. They're over Lake Michigan, but with due time, they'll slowly move into West Michigan. Still, though, the sunshine will warm us up nicely today, and any of the rain showers we're seeing well to the west, notice they're hardly even moving. So we will stay high and dry today thanks to that high pressure and control of our weather. Hour by hour shows there's those high clouds streaming on in throughout the rest of the afternoon. No weather concerns really over the next couple of days besides the risk of some fire weather, so make sure you're not burning anything as we have dry conditions and also those warm temperatures, and the humidity levels are extremely low, so do keep in mind that is a risk over the coming days. But besides that, really not a whole lot to talk about. Weather-wise, we will stay dry right through Thursday, but here comes a cold front pressing in from the west, bringing our next chance of rain by the time we get to Friday afternoon and Friday evening, continuing into this weekend. Overall, the next several days temperature-wise, today will actually be the coolest in the upper 70s. We'll be in the 80s, though, through the rest of the work week, even heading into this weekend. Low 80s are to be expected. As I mentioned, the humidity levels will be extremely low through about Thursday, but by Friday and Saturday, that humidity will be returning with dew points back into the 60s, allowing that chance of rain to return. If you're heading to the lake shore today, temperatures will be mostly in the mid 70s under plenty of sunshine. The wind all over West Michigan will be pretty light today. Upper 70s further away from the lake, possibly some locations could get close to 80. The rest of your 13-hour side, 7-day forecast. Mostly sunny skies through Wednesday, temperatures rising into the 80s. Very comfortable, though, through at least Thursday. Humidity and a rain chance will return late this week, heading into this weekend. We'll be right back.